What you working on?
I am setting up Liam's backdrop for his 1-year-old pictures.
Nice.
Doesn't it look good?
It does.
So we got this balloon garland, and then I got these little boxes from a dollar store here in Japan. And then I bought these little stickers from the same store. Still out one, and then added some balloons in it because they're just clear boxes. And then he's gonna sit here with these cute little hats on. I'll have a couple of pictures where he's wearing these. And then I made him a cute little cake.
Very cute.
He turns 1 in less than a week.
It's crazy. We're getting it all ready.
So we're doing a cake right now for pictures, and then we're also going to do a cake for 1-year birthday, which is on Saturday, a week from, well, less than a week. So he's getting 2 cakes this week.
Lucky boy.
Lucky boy. So yeah, just getting everything ready.
Cool.
Yeah. Oh! Yay!
Liam. Is that yummy? Oh, is that yummy?
Yeah. That's good. Now you can stand this right there. Okay.
Is that yummy? There's the birthday boy. Happy birthday!
Streamers.
What is that? That says happy birthday.
Birthday!
Because he's the birthday boy.
You're 1. Yeah. Look at all this stuff. That's all for Liam. It's all for you.
You see all your presents? Liam, look at your people that came to your birthday party.
Your friends.
All your friends. Yeah, and there's no money.
Yeah, those are all your friends.
What do you think?
Is that pretty cool? Yeah, say hello. Say good morning.
They're here for your birthday party.
Your birthday party.
Yeah.
There's Tommy, Sloppy, Puppy, Moon Bunny.
What do you think?
This one too.
Yay! Look at the big boy.
He's one!
Yay!
Yay! You're so big! Yeah, does your kitty?
And he also has a cake too, right?
Yes, he does. But we won't pull that out yet.
Yeah, we'll wait a little bit. He's the birthday boy.
Yeah, those are your animals.
Oh, thank you.
We have all the presents here. One of them is, this one is from us.
Cute
And
little
then
bike.
we have all of these. This is all from family that has been sent to us. And then we did get him a couple things from his friends.
Yes, his stuffed animals.
But yeah, this is all of his birthday. We won't celebrate it until I think 10 o'clock is when we're doing a video chat with family. We are just gonna hang out until then. We're gonna try to get him to take a little nap
Hopefully he takes it out.
before. Or hopefully he holds off until like 11.
Yeah.
So,
And all of his animals, all dressed up with the party hats. He kind of destroyed it a little bit. He was having
well,
fun.
it's all set up nice. But that's okay.
It's okay. Whenever I was little, I had all my animals with party hats on for my birthday, my first birthday.
Yeah, your mom did that, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's even more fitting now because we are on the other side of the country.
That's
or
true.
on the other side
On
of
the
the
world.
Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, Kiki.
Yay!
Liam, you ready for your birthday party? It's almost time. Woohoo, the birthday boy. What you doing, babe?
I'm getting the video chat stuff set up.
Because we're gonna have all the family on the video chat so they can all watch him. We'll be sitting right there.
Yeah.
Watch him eat his cake and sing happy birthday.
And then if they want to stay on and watch them open presents, but I don't, because it's probably gonna be a lot.
Yeah,
So,
it's 10 a.m. right now, just about, and it's like what?
it's 7 in
7
South
or
Dakota
8
and 8 in Texas.
p.m.
Right.
Saturday.
No,
Wait, Friday night there. Saturday morning here.
right.
Yeah. It's almost time.
Does it look good?
I think so.
Woohoo! We're ready for the party!
Now we're just waiting for the birthday boy. What are we doing today? Yeah.
Okay, does everyone want to start? We're gonna start singing Happy Birthday. Ready? Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Liam. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Is that yummy? Do you guys like his crown?
Yes.
Devin's frozen. Look at it. Oh, we lost her.
Is that yummy?
He's eating cake at 10 a.m. Yeah.
Breakfast of champions.
Yep.
Definitely yes. Birthday, sweet boy. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Say
Happy
thank
birthday.
you.
Love you.
Yeah, mama.
Mama.
Mama. Oh.
I don't think he wants you to take the cake, Mama. It's pretty good.
Is it?
You gonna try it?
Yeah.
Hey, big boy. So what's it like having a 1-year-old?
It's wild. Like, it just seems like yesterday we brought him home from the hospital,
I know.
and now we're here a year later.
It's
Actually,
crazy.
we weren't even home from the hospital yet. We had to stay in the hospital for a few days.
That's right.
But
Life has never been the same.
no, and it's been amazing. The best thing in the entire world.
We love him so much.
I just can't believe he's one.
Yeah.
You're one. He's so big. He's still slowly chipping at his cake.
Yep.
But I'm gonna try to take it away here soon because
That's a lot of cake.
it's a lot of cake. I mean, he's not gonna eat the whole thing.
He
But-
loves the icing.
He does.
Yeah, he's a big boy.
He likes to share.
He
He's
loves to
trying to
share.
share with mommy and daddy. Oh, thank you. We had to open presents.
Yes, let's open presents now.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
My 1-year-old. Mwah, I love you. Hey, you want to open up your presents? Do. All right, Liam. Do you want this one or this one? This one. Okay.
Who's that one from?
This one is from Grammy. Grammy Mary. It's her first birthday. His first dollar!
Oh!
That is yours. Can you open it? What do you see in there? Can you take the paper off?
What is that?
Cute.
What does the back say?
Happy first birthday. Grammy loves you.
Yeah.
Is that pretty cool? Look, this one is from Grandma and Grandpa Robbins. There's great grandma and great grandpa. Can you open it? What's in there? What is that? Are they cars? 1, 2, 3, 4 cars?
Whoa.
That's pretty cool. You say thank you. Oh look, we have one more gift from Grandma and Grandpa. What? Oh, good job. Oh. Who's on there? It's
Oh.
Mickey.
Is that Mickey?
Playing
Playing it
it cool.
Mr. Cool Man.
Mickey? And you have Mickey shorts. Those are so cute.
Who's that one from? Oh.
This one is from Auntie Devin. It says, I love you. Open, open. Rip it. Rip. Oh my gosh, it's the first 100. First 100 dinosaurs. First 100 trucks. And first 100 words.
Cool.
Yay! Look, there's dinosaurs and trucks and animals. Grandma Gina and Grandpa Rod.
Nice.
It's Mickey again.
Oh.
Yeah, that was a good one. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
What is it?
It's a rainbow puzzle that is so cute because I was literally going to buy one of these at the Japanese store here.
Were ya?
My mama knows me.
She knows you
Mama
will.
knows me well. You can stack your rainbows. stack.
He does like to stack.
You love to. Oh, Grandma has 2 more gifts for you, Grandma and Grandpa. Look.
Oh, he's doing it.
Oh my gosh. Hungry caterpillar. Look. Caterpillar pants. Those are cool. Those would be fun for outside when you put bugs. Yeah, do you like those? Wait.
Ooh.
And this one says fantastic like dad.
Nice.
And then these cute.
Oh, those are cute little pockets.
Oh, they're so cute. Say thanks, Grandma and Grandpa. This one's the paper. There's no card, but this one is from Grandma Dan and Grandpa Brian. Rip it.
What is that?
Oh,
Bless you.
bless you. That's a pretty cool little book thing. Do one more thing.
Who's this one from?
Also, Grandma, Grandpa, Brian, and Danielle.
Look at the wrapping job. How did it get all over here wrapped like that?
I don't know. Liam, look at this. Pull it. Pull it out. Pull it. Very own backpack.
Look at that.
How cute! We have some sunglasses,
Nice.
a cute backpack,
Put the sunglasses on.
and some clothes.
Ooh. Mr. Cool Man.
He doesn't.
He doesn't wear one. Oh, look at that backpack.
We got a t-shirt,
Mm-hmm.
swim trunks. These are perfect for the 4th. A swim shirt, and a pair of swim trunks.
Nice.
Cute shorts. Cute. I love this backpack.
That is pretty cute.
This one is from Moon Bunny and Friends.
Ooh, Moon Bunny and Friends.
Feels on me.
What could it be?
Can you pull the paper off? What? What did Moon Bunny get you? It's a dump truck!
Is that cool? That's from Moon Bunny. Now you can take him around the house in that. Yay!
And they also got you this toy.
This is Moon Bunny and Friends.
Remember this one. Look at this one, man. It's Japanese! How did they go to the Japanese store?
Blocks. Woohoo!
And this little hammer. See, this is for Mommy and Daddy.
Look what we got you. It's a little bike.
Bike! Here, let me put this on. Oh.
Look at the bike we got you, big boy. Cute. That's okay.
Look at your bike! You wanna ride it?
You gonna put him on it?
Down.
He likes the dump truck, Mama.